Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gabe Hogan, and today what I want to talk about is basically us briefly going over the crypto market, what's going on in CoinMarketCap, just kind of scan through there. But then what I want to talk about is actually how you can make money while the crypto market is going down, okay? Whether it's going down, whether it's going sideways, whether it's going straight up, you're still making money, and how I'm actually making money right now. So if you're interested in that, make sure and stick here on this video till the very end. All right, guys, but one thing before we get going, if you have not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 7,000 subs, and then we're going to be on our way to 10,000. We put up videos just about every single day, so make sure you are subscribed. All right, guys, so what's going on CoinMarketCap? Now, if we look at the market, let's just hit the refresh button real quick. Let it refresh. The internet's being a little slow today. But you can see market cap 330 billion. We're looking at Bitcoin 8,600, Ethereum 500. I mean, we've seen all these coins, all these bigger coins have came down literally half of what they were in the height of the crypto market. Okay, when Bitcoin was at 16, 17, 18, 20K, Ethereum's hit 1,000. I mean, all of these coins are at a discount if you truly believe in crypto long term. So I guess the question, people keep asking me, Gabe, should I buy more crypto? What should I do? What should I do with my portfolio? And I'm not a financial advisor by no means, so this is just my idea, and what I'm thinking is I'm like, okay, if you truly believe in crypto, then buy more. If you don't, then just hold whatever you have and wait for it to come back up. Or if you don't believe in it at all, then just sell it off and just take your loss, and that's it, right? If we come down here, we look at I know a lot of you guys follow me for Electroneum. If we look at Electroneum, we're sitting at a little bit under 3 cents. Now here's another thing. If you believe in Electroneum, this is a great time that I'm looking to actually put more money into Electroneum. I mean, 3 cents is a bargain considering it's been 22 cents before. I mean, guys, it's almost like a 10x gain if it was to go back up to where it was at the height, right? Not saying it will, but I'm just saying there is potential, right? So that's pretty much the market, guys. I mean, crypto, honestly, crypto right now, pretty boring. Nothing's going on. It's just kind of hanging out. We're just going sideways. We're going up, down, up, down, up, down. Nothing's really happening. We're not seeing the huge spikes we used to see like back towards the end of last year. So now on to what this video was actually about. Okay, you guys are wondering, Gabe, how can I actually make money while crypto is going sideways or while it's going down? How are you still making money? Okay, and here's the answer. The answer is I'm mining crypto. All right, I am mining crypto, and I have been mining crypto for around 2 months now through a company called Wealth Generators and their mining contracts. All right, now you guys have probably seen me post a video about this before. Maybe you've thought about doing it, whatever it may be. But that is the way that I am actually making money right now in crypto. All right, I went through Wealth Generators. I purchased a 1,200 day mining contract. All right, so you guys can see they've got different packages, anywhere from $5.99 to $5,099. And all this does is, as you go from package to package, you get more hashing power. Okay, you're basically renting the hashing power from them. They've got rigs set up in places that are low on cost, basically. All right, low on cost. That way they can make the most money for you as possible. So you give them money, they actually use that, and they purchase all the hardware and all the rigs, and then they pay you out daily in Ethereum. All right, they pay you out daily in Ethereum. I get payouts every single day, sometimes twice a day, just depends. But they pay you out daily, and it's awesome. Now, I will tell you guys, before we get too far into this, I am an affiliate for the company. All right, I am an affiliate for the company, but I share this with you all not just because I'm an affiliate, but because it actually works and it's something that I'm benefiting from in the long term. All right, now if crypto goes down, crypto goes up, crypto goes sideways, I'm still making money. I'm still getting payouts every single day in my Ethereum wallet. All right, so I hope that makes sense. I know there's a lot of companies out there that are maybe like pulling you this way, pulling you that way, different mining companies, but this company is based in the United States. All right, so it faces all the scrutinies, all the rules, all the regulations of what the US has, and it's still a company and still a business that's thriving. All right, guys, and what they do, I know I'm getting kind of long-winded on this, but they actually, and this is something that most companies don't do, right? So listen to this. What they actually do is they mine different cryptocurrencies. All right, they mine different cryptocurrencies depending on which one is most profitable during that time. So what they're trying to do is, as the difficulties go up and down for each one of the cryptocurrencies, they're trying to keep your payouts very consistent. Some of these platforms, your payouts will be high one day, low the next, low, low, low. Then you'll see a high day. They're trying to keep it consistent. That way you've got an income that's going to be produced for you for like the next 4 years to come. All right, guys? So think about that, getting paid in crypto for the next 4 years, 1,200-day mining contracts. If you're interested, I will leave the link in the description. All right, guys? But right now, while crypto's going down, this is the only way that I'm making money. This is the only way I'm making money. Besides doubling down as the market comes down farther, I have no other way of making money from crypto because I can't make money on the downside. All right, so I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope you got some value from it. If you have questions about the mining contracts, you can shoot me an email. You can comment below this video. But if you like the video, you can give me a thumbs up, smash the like button, and make sure you're subscribed. Okay, guys? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'll answer you all as soon as I can. Okay, guys? I appreciate y'all, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.